Hi everyone! For releasing this LC300 just equipped with premium upgrades like we install original JDM Modelista body kit. What are the inclusion? Roof spoiler. This is bolt-on, replaced from the factory. As you can see, there are curves. It's not plain compared to the stock. Lower rear skirt and Modelista muffler cutter. You can differentiate between the original and the fake Modelista body kit. The original only had one muffler cutter tip, while the fake have two muffler tip. And the original has this original rubber edge. This is the upper fender from fender here. Front sheen. This is only add-on. And on the logo, as you can see, the original Modelista logo won't fade and won't crack, and very clear the logo compared to the fake one. This is how you differentiate between the original and the copy Modelista body kit. And their chrome, it's different. And the fitting itself, it won't complete if you won't change the wheels and tires. The client chooses the TE37 Ultra Large PCD in mag blue color. This is specific for LC300. Wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. As you can see, the flash, perfect. White on mag blue, perfect. See the stands from beside. We're just waiting for the Dubai rear coil spring to arrive so that we can install at the back to make the LC level. No tint, clean look built. Good choice. The owner of this LC300 has good taste. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. By the way, no to fake upgrades, guys. And please like and subscribe my page and YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Enjoy your long weekend, everyone. Bye!